Good morning, buddy.
Buddy.
Ready for another big day.
Let's make something amazing!
You know, we make a great team.
Haha! Teamwork is our superpower.
Uh-oh, it's raining.
Stay close. The ground is getting slippery.
Help! I'm stuck in the mud.
Hold on, I'm coming to get you out. I'll clear the mud around you. Don't worry.
Thanks, Spot. I knew you'd come up. You saved me, friend!
That's what best friends do.
Together, we can do anything.